Before starting the video, let me tell you that if you have an account under ForexBD's link, there are numerous facilities for you, such as you can verify the whole account with an NID card, you can make instant local deposits from home, you have the opportunity to trade at zero spread. You will get the opportunity to trade an Islamic account, you will also get the benefit of copy trading, and this is 100% secure. So with so many benefits in hand, why do you miss it? So the video that we have brought today is mainly for expatriate brothers. Many of those who are out of the country for various reasons have a tendency to do Forex trading. And many people contact ForexBD about this issue because they are having trouble collecting various documents. They are abroad, so they want to know about how to get an account in a broker. So today's video is to let everyone know about these issues. Today we will discuss, first of all, how to open an account in your own name while sitting abroad. Secondly, how to verify it. And the last one is how to deposit from abroad. So stay tuned with us. I will show you from XM Broker. So I am an official member of ForexBD. I hope you are all well. How to open and verify accounts while sitting abroad. To do Forex trading, you have to open an account with a good broker. You don't just have to open an account, you have to verify it and submit the required documents. Many people have problems with this issue because they cannot collect the required documents due to being abroad. Anyway, there is no reason to worry, we are with you. There is one document required to verify the account. In other words, just one document is enough to verify the account in XM Broker. It could be an NID card, or a passport, or a driving license. Now you are abroad, so you must have a passport, and again you may have an NID card. Since you are abroad, you must have your passport with you, so you can verify the whole account with this passport. Since you are under the link of ForexBD, then how you take pressure? If you use the link, you can verify the account with only one document. And also, if you can't create your account, don't worry, ForexBD will help you. Yes, you can create your own account by contacting ForexBD for free without any hassle.
After clicking on the link, a new page will appear where you fill in your name, country, phone number, email address. Then select the M4 platform. In the next option, you can select the account type, standard account. Then click on proceed with the tick mark below. The next page will come in front of you. Fill in your date of birth, and then address. We used to advise you to fill it by looking at the address of the bank statement. But now, as you don't have to submit bank statements or electricity bills anymore, now you have to look at the address on the back of the NID card and fill it in. Then there will be some options below, and fill them properly. For example, you have to tell them your currency, leverage, your annual income, your potential deposit amount, educational status, current platform, etc. So you fill it slowly, and if anyone has trouble understanding, then follow our video to answer these questions. We are submitting. Then password. Of course, choose a good password. It is important to give a strong password to save your account everywhere. So create an account with a strong password. Then click on Open a Real Account option with a tick mark. This will open your account easily. And immediately, a link will be sent to your email, and click on it to register your account. After registration, you will get another email with your ID number and server number. Log into your account with that ID number and password. Log in and go to Validate Your Account option here, and click on NO option in Tax Identification Number. Still, another new page will appear there. Upload the front side photo of your ID card in the Identity Verification option, then go down there, upload the back side photo of your ID card in the Address Verification option. That is, there are two options here. The first one is the front part of the ID card, and the second one is the back part of the ID card. Then click on the Upload Your Document option and your documents will be submitted. Then you are done. Your account will be verified within 5 minutes. Or if you don't have time, you can take our help.
All you have to do is text us on our official WhatsApp. The Forex BD team will create your account using your information. Again, this is completely free. This is Forex BD's an initiative to make your trading career easier. There are many expatriates who do not have time to verify the account or do not know how to verify. So we are by your side 24 hours to make their work easier. So contact us now without any hesitation. Anyone in the country with any profession can contact us if they want to set up an account with any broker. The Forex BD team will come and stand by your side. So let's come to the case of expatriates. They may think that the account could be made, but how to deposit and withdraw? You don't have to worry about anything here. We will explain the matter in a simple way, but we will make a humble request. If you have not yet subscribed to Forex, please subscribe and click the bell icon to never miss an update. How to deposit from abroad. Deposits and withdrawals are difficult tasks for expatriates because they can't buy dollars because he is abroad, he doesn't know how to buy. So you can contact Forex BD for deposit. Forex BD will help you. You will be assisted as your wish and deposit will be instant. So those who are abroad, if they have any problem, you can easily contact the Forex BD's WhatsApp to make a deposit without any hassle. All you have to do is leave a message on WhatsApp and say what you need. If you need an account, it will be done with verification, and if you need deposit and withdrawal, it will be done without any hassle.
To deposit, click on the deposit option, then you will get some payment gateway. Here you can select anyone and use anyone. We will use the Visa card option. If you click on the Visa option, you will get another page. Here you have to submit your deposit amount. So we are submitting our deposit amount of $48. Then click on the deposit option and a page will appear. Here you have to click on the confirm option. After clicking, you can see a new page has appeared. Here you have to submit your card details. That means cardholder name, card number, expiry date, and lastly CVV. Everything you will get on your card. So fill these options accurately. Lastly, you have to click the deposit option. If you click there immediately, your balance will be deposited. Now you can see our balance is $48. At the beginning we had no dollars in our account, but now our dollars have been deposited.
Why XM Broker? Because XM Broker is giving you huge benefits. For example, you can verify with the NID card, which I said at the beginning. Then there is the benefit of local deposit. That means the facility of quick deposit through bank or mobile banking, trading at very low spreads. 24 hours live support, and you can speak in your own language. A new feather is added, which is the advantage of cryptocurrency, where you can trade 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So everything you need is here. So why are you waiting? They are responsible for keeping your fund 100% safe. So start trading now with the account under the link given below. We will make a request to you wherever you create an account, broker house or payment gateway. You must use the Forex BD's link. This will keep your account safe at all times. You will be able to participate in any type of contest. You will have the opportunity to trade in 0 pips spread. So be sure to account under the link given below. And if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button because your likes and comments give us confidence to do something better. And if you have any suggestions, you can leave a comment so that Forex BD can meet your needs all the time.